Have an old Instagram photo or video you no longer want on your account? Simply deleting a post from your profile isn't enough if you want it gone forever. Instagram keeps deleted posts in the recently deleted folder for a limited time, allowing you to restore them if you change your mind. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to completely remove an Instagram post so it can't be recovered later. Just follow these simple steps. Delete the post from your profile with Begin by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app loads, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Find the photo or video you want to remove and tap it to open the post. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the post. A menu with several options will appear. Choose Delete, then tap Delete again when Instagram asks you to confirm. The post will immediately disappear from your profile and won't be visible to your followers anymore. However, it hasn't been permanently erased yet because Instagram automatically moves deleted content to the recently deleted folder for a short period. Permanently remove it. To finish the process, return to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Select your activity, then scroll down and tap Recently Deleted. Here you'll find the post you just removed. Open the post, tap the three-dot menu and select Delete. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision one more time. Tap Delete again to permanently erase the post. In some cases, Instagram may ask you to verify your identity with a security code before completing the deletion. Once confirmed, the post is permanently removed from your account and cannot be restored. That's the complete process for permanently deleting an Instagram post in 26. It's quick, easy, and only takes a minute once you know where to find the recently deleted folder. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and check out our other Instagram tips. Peace Shambi. Thanks for watching.